former Britain and France, appeased Hitler, allowed him step by step to spread his evil totalitarian government.
But that's what God does. When you honor him step by step by step, God takes you through a series of progressions, and you find yourself...
See, you have to go step by step. You see, some people are...
Not that I don't like it.
It really walks you step by step through a lot of things. So to
How are we going to tie this porn monster down step by step? We're going to use the Gulliver strategy.
Step by step, inch by,
Oh, yeah, Niagara.
So instead of giving you a step-by-step guide on how to not be racist,
brick by brick, inch by inch, step by step. That is how all great things are achieved. And you know my mantra.
Step by step of what we're touching on today, but maybe people need to go a little bit deeper into it. A lot of people don't know
that, and so it's a step-by-step process.
And since you mentioned radio talking,
So practical, and it gives us the step by step for true transformation.
Yeah, I mean,
we have support documents for all that, step by step, so that if somebody has those questions or you want to use them, you can kind of
go step by step by step in time. And so that